So we're here. We're going to the loop, but it comes down on the other side of the parking lot, the one I've done before. By here, around. Hey everyone, it's Silva, and today I'm with Kaylee, and we are at one of my favorite trails, the Cliff Trail at Harpswell. And when you see this video, I will have less than 10 days before I hit the trail, and this is kind of a little countdown video, show you some of the things I've accomplished while I show you some views. Looks like they've definitely improved the trail since I've been here last. They have little lookouts and bridges that weren't here before. It's really pretty. Right, there's the Cascades.
Don't put that in. I almost twisted my ankle.
Alright, I'm trying to get off the... Alright, so one of the things I've accomplished so far is updating my first aid kit and replacing stuff. As you'll see in a minute, I got out my first aid kit, saw what needed replacing, what I was out of, and then I went and got those items and got that all taken care of. So take a look. My first aid kit is a little bit bigger than a lot of hikers I've seen, but it is smaller than Matt would like. Alright, so I do carry a SAM splint in case I need it, some quick claw in case I were to get a really bad cut or burn. I have these Compeed blister pads. They are the large size, and I might get some of the smaller ones. I have a Thermarest repair kit. Even though I'm not carrying my Thermarest, I think it'll still come in handy. My little towel, a Purell wipe, some Aqua tabs, needle and thread, feminine products, squirrel nut butter, matches, little survival, just start a fire, it's a little thing. Over here I have a tip key, an emergency blanket, and then I have a few baggies. In this baggie I have some BioFreeze packets in case I have a really sore muscle or back. Some Band-Aids. These look like I need to get a few more or replace those maybe. Earplugs in case I need them at the shelter. I have some triple ointment, and that definitely looks like it's about empty, so I need to get a new one of those. I have my little Swiss Army knife and some Leuko tape. And then these are some very old B12 supplements, which I do need to get some new ones. I have some here that I take daily. But I was B12 deficient. It's much better than it was, but I'll be taking some on the trail with me. I also have some Imodium in case I need that, and some Pepto-Bismol, some nail clippers. I don't remember if I showed you that. The Advil, I carry an extra smart water bottle top. And those are mostly, that's all I carry, but I will replace some of this stuff, and I'll show you what it looks like all packed up after I do that. So I managed to get the last few things I need for my first aid kit / ditty bag. I got the toothbrush that I almost forgot about. So I got a collapsible toothbrush and some toothpaste. A set of hand warmers to have just in case. Matt reminded me to get a glasses repair kit. I have the antibiotic ointment. And I'm not bringing this whole box of Band-Aids, but I got some Band-Aids to put in here. So once I get all this bagged up, should be set. Alright, so this does weigh a little more than I would like. Comes in at 1.03 pounds, so a pound pretty much. But there is a lot of stuff in there, and most of it I have just in case. You never know. So yeah, it is what it is. It makes Matt happy that I'm carrying a little bit of safety gear, and it's not just first aid stuff either. So it's a lot of other stuff I need: toothbrush, toothpaste, different things. So there you have it. I can check it off my list. Head over by the cliffs. beautiful. It's been a little mud here and there. Tiny bit of ice. We have our spikes if we need them, but so far we haven't. It's been pretty warm here in Maine, so. Well, warm for Maine. You know, it's hitting the 40s. It hit 50 one day. Alright, so one of the other things that I have accomplished so far is to fix my backpack, and I'll show you what that looks like. I'll show you the little hole and what it looks like after I sewed it up. Here's the hole in my backpack. Alright, I am all done. It's definitely not the best job I've ever done, but it should hold. I have needle and thread with me if I need it, but... I think this is new signage since I was here last. I remember the sign up ahead there, that one, but I don't remember the others. Climbing up some rocks and roots, reminiscent of my AT adventure that's coming up, and just hiking in Maine in general. Oh, and there's my youngest, already at the top. Cliff top overlook ahead, 150-foot steep drop off. Restrain pets, be watchful of children, and stay on trail. We're almost to the top. Look at that. Made it to the cliff overlook. It is stunning. I said in my earlier video, Right on Track had sent me a meal to try and review. I've never done that before, but I thought I would do it while we're up here at this pretty view. So this is the Hearty Morning Coconut Granola. And it weighs 2.7 ounces. And this is a single serving, and it sells normally for $6.99, but it was on sale right now for $4.54. And I think the two-person one sold for $11.99, and it's on sale for $7.57. If that's not right, I'll put it down below. They also sent me a few things that you can use to go with the granola if you want. They're just condiments. Let me show you what they are. This one is milk and cream. I won't be using this one because it is whole milk powder and heavy cream powder, which is not the vegan version, so I won't be using that, but that is an option for you. But this I am gonna try. This is the banana chips. And its ingredients are just banana chips and coconut oil. So I'm gonna try that. All right, so this one serving has 480 calories. It has 85 milligrams of sodium, 19 carbohydrates, only 7 grams of total sugar, and 11 grams of protein. It tells me to add 3.5 ounces of treated water and stir. That's what it looks like. Right, so I wasn't very smart. I forgot my spoon. So I'm hoping I can do this without my spoon. So I'm gonna shake it up for a second, try and get anything loose so that, there we go. I don't know if I really needed to do that. It says to add, 3 to 5 ounces of water. I'm gonna say that's about that much, and then we'll shake it around again. I added too much water, I think. Oh, that looks good. I'm gonna throw in the banana chips. I think I added too much water. I always add too much water. All right, I'm gonna find a stick to mix this with. Not ideal, but you know what? Sometimes when you're in the backcountry, you do lose your spoon. So let's try it out. Be right back. All right, so we added the banana chips and drained out a little bit of the water because I added too much, and that looks so much better. It really looks good. It smells fantastic. You can smell the coconut. So my makeshift spoon is 3 tiny sticks that I don't want to hurt a tree, so let's see if I can make this work. Oh, that's not so bad. I'm making a mess, but it's really good actually. I really like it a lot. I didn't even get a banana yet. See if I can balance. I love granola, and this is really good. I actually didn't expect it to be quite that good. I really like it. I wonder if I have time to get a few more in before I leave. There's gotta be a better way to eat this. Like a spoon. Let's see what Kay thinks. All right, what do you think, Kay?
It's really good. I like it a lot more than I thought I would.
Me too. I'm really impressed. I like it way better than oatmeal too. I don't really like oatmeal in the morning too much usually, but that I could eat.
Yeah, this is really good.
Here, let's show what it, if we had a spoon, it would be better. But that's what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's hard to look at your feet. One of the other things I accomplished is I got my stuff ordered that I needed from Amazon. So you can see here, coming up in a minute, I ordered a couple of different things for food, or electrolytes / food, and an electronic gadget that I needed for the trail. All right, so my stuff from Amazon came in. I ordered a box of the Pro Bon meals. Hopefully I like them. This is just an assortment, different flavors. They are 100% plant-based and lots of different flavors. There's 12 bars here. I ordered a new wall charger. Mine was broken, and this has the 2 ports I need, the USB and the USB-C, so I can charge 2 things at once. I wanted to try some different electrolytes, and that came in Element, and it has, this also is a variety pack, 3 citrus salt, raspberry salt, orange salt, and watermelon salt. Also hit REI again yesterday when I was out with my friend Tiffany, and I picked up a couple of the snacks I liked from my taste test video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it here in the corner, but I got some more of the fruit jerky and a couple more of the Yes bars. I also picked up another backpacker meal from Backpacker Pantry, the chana masala, which I really like. The only problem is I really prefer the 1 serving. I never got to the point where I could eat 2 servings. I have a hard enough time eating 1, so maybe I can split this somehow and cut it down between this package and maybe another one that I've already eaten from once I'm on trail. I don't know. Have any of you had any luck with taking this and splitting it in half over 2 nights? We're almost back to the car. Counting down the days. Like I said, less than 10 days to go when you see this. All right, everyone, again, thanks so much for following along. Hope you have some beautiful weather there too, so you can get outside. Hope you have a fantastic week, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, found a spoon, and that's a much better picture of what it looks like.